Welcome to Buying Insider. In this video, we will present you with a short buying guide together with a list of the best smart countertop ovens on the market up to date, just to make your buying decision easier. So wouldn't it be nice to have a second oven to pick up the slack? Sure, we would all love to have a double wall oven, but that's not a feasible or even affordable solution for many of us. Many countertop convection ovens cook foods in a variety of methods. They can warm, toast, bake, broil, steam, and even sear foods. In general, cook times tend to be about 25 to 30% shorter than a typical oven, making meals quicker and saving users on energy both in terms of time used and the size of the oven that must be heated. Because foods cook more quickly, foods can be cooked with fewer or no fats or oils. The ovens use convected heat to sear the outside of foods, trapping moisture within and cooking items from all sides. So whether you're looking for the best of the best or the most affordable, you'll find it on this list. So if you want to know which one will work best for you, stay tuned. If you want to see more details and the newest prices of the products mentioned in this list, check the links in the description below. Now, let's start with the first product. First on the list, as best overall, we present you the Breville Smart Oven Pro. With a countertop oven like this one, you want it to perform well while looking good in your kitchen. Luckily, Breville doesn't disappoint in the looks department. This smart oven has a modern but simple design with its silver color scheme, simple dials, and large screen. This oven is elegant and sleek without pulling too much attention. This makes it fit perfectly in any kitchen design. One of the most notable features is the heating system. The heating system of this oven is supported with a convection fan. The convection fan can help for faster cooking due to the fan that distributes all of the heat evenly. Due to this feature, the cooking in this larger toaster oven is much faster than using a regular oven. Additionally, it also makes your cooking time more efficient, which is very useful for busy people or people with many activities. However, not all of the food can be cooked in a faster time. Therefore, to support this, the oven also offers a unique feature or mode, which is called slow cook function. In addition to the slow cook functions mode, this large toaster oven uses an approximately 1800 watts of energy. This is quite large for an oven, which may become one of the minor problems of this oven. However, this large toaster oven also utilizes a unique feature or system, which is called 5-quartz element. The 5-quartz element offers a system called Element IQ, which will help the oven to distribute the heat to the place where it's really needed. Therefore, your cooking will be evenly heated and will have perfect results due to these unique and distinct special features. If this is your first time visiting our channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications for our next videos. As most versatile, we recommend the Cosori toaster oven. The Cosori toaster oven is a stainless steel monster. The inside is also stainless steel, and the door is made of heat-resistant tempered glass. This makes it exceptionally easy to clean. That said, the steel construction makes it fairly heavy. At 24 pounds, the Cosori is tough and durable. The front of the unit features an intuitive control panel. At the top, there's a clean LCD display that shows you the current temperature and the time remaining. It also shows the power status, the fan setting, and the light-dark setting for the toaster feature. Down the left side of the display, it shows which of the 12 cooking modes is currently being used. One thing we should point out is that the CO130AO draws a maximum power of 1800 watts. This isn't an insane amount of power, but it is a lot. It will just about max out a standard 15-amp outlet. As a result, you'll want to be careful about any other devices you're running on the same circuit. Whether you want to roast a rotisserie chicken, prepare homemade yogurt, or air fry some homemade fries, it'll do the job. Oh, and it also makes a great slice of toast. Next on our list as the best steam oven is the Tovala Gen 2 Smart Steam Oven. Now this is a second-generation Tovala oven, redesigned after the successfully crowdfunded and distributed first model. The controls are much more direct and functional here, and the overall size of the device has been reduced while keeping the same cooking capacity. Setup is also much easier, relying on an ad hoc Wi-Fi connection to the app rather than a pattern of flashing lights. 3 glossy black circles surrounded by matte black buttons sit on a panel to the right of the door. Each circle contains a white LED display and is surrounded by buttons related to the information it shows. The top circle is for cooking mode with dedicated buttons for bake, broil, steam, and toast, along with reheat and scan. The middle circle is for temperature with plus and minus buttons for adjusting by 25-degree increments in bake and steam mode, 5 preset levels in toast mode, and low and high in broil mode. The bottom circle shows cooking time with its own plus and minus buttons for setting the number of minutes to cook. 2 smaller half-circle buttons to start cooking and cancel or power off the oven sit below the 3 displays. The Tovalis Steam Oven is an impressive little countertop appliance. Its multiple cooking modes and extensive multi-step cooking programs make it incredibly useful for whipping up nearly any meal. We hope you like our selection of products so far, and if you want us to review some other products in this category, please feel free to comment below. In the category Best High-End, we present you with the Ninja DT251. The most wonderful thing about this convection oven is the fact that you can use it for almost anything. Right on the front of this oven, there are a series of buttons and settings. Each one of these buttons and settings allows you to customize the overall cooking process while also giving you access to a wide variety of modes. The modes this oven offers are as follows: air fry, bake, roast, whole roast, broil, bagel, toast, dehydrate, pizza, and reheat. Each one of these modes is a little different, and due to the sheer variety of options you have, you can make just about anything with this oven. The really nice thing about the oven, though, is the integrated Food Smart thermometer. Making use of this thermometer allows the oven to automatically detect the temperature that's necessary for your food to be cooked in a certain way, such as well done, for example. That way, the entire process is almost completely automatic, which makes it extremely easy. Right inside of this oven, you'll find an 1800-watt heating appliance. That may not sound like a lot, especially when compared to other much larger ovens, but it is. As the best budget in today's video, we chose GoWise USA GW Oven. The GoWise USA 12.7-quart air fryer oven is a multifunction kitchen appliance that can be used to air fry, bake, toast, dehydrate, or rotisserie. The front of the oven sports a digital display with push-button controls. The GoWise oven features more than the average number of preset cooking functions like a manual setting, fries, frozen food, wings, pizza, steak, chicken, fish, vegetables, toast, baked potato, rotisserie, bake, dehydrate, keep warm, and defrost. A large viewing window and oven light make it possible to monitor your food as it cooks. This oven also supports a wide range of accessories, including 4 different rotisserie spits and baskets. The GoWise also works as a standard toaster oven, reaching cooking temperatures without the aid of convection. Low temperatures allow for dehydration of vegetables, fruits, jerky, and more. This oven has a wide temperature range of 120 to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you're looking to consolidate your appliance collection or simply upgrade from your current toaster oven, the GoWise 12.7-quart air fryer oven might be for you. So there you have it, the best 5 smart countertop ovens on the market today. If you found the one on our list that meets your needs and budget, remember to check the link in the description box and catch it at a discounted price. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time here at the Buying Insider, your home of fair and square product reviews.